Larte's, the winner package for the GLE is designed to grab attention. Larte's 2025 GLE Coupe kit uses extensive carbon fiber for a bolder, sportier look. The most dramatic addition is a custom carbon fiber hood with aggressive vents. This package focuses on aesthetics only, offering no upgrades for the powertrain. Larte Design refers to this wild 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe as the winner. That's an intriguing name, and according to the tuner, the kit has been designed for Mercedes owners who want to stand out, treating their vehicle as an extension of their personality. While we're not convinced the kit will make you look like a winner rather than a loser, it's certainly striking. To make the GLE Coupe look much sportier, Larte has relied heavily on the use of carbon fiber. And we mean a lot of it. Things start at the front with a carbon fiber splitter that attaches to the OEM bumper, immediately giving the SUV some added flair. Larte even gone to the trouble of crafting carbon slats for the grille. The most outlandish part of the entire build is arguably the custom carbon fiber hood. Of course, there's no real need to install a lightweight hood on a car as heavy as this, but thanks to the exposed fibers, it certainly commands attention. The hood also features some aggressive gills and vents, making it stand out even further. A new set of forged wheels is installed, complete with intriguing aero covers finished in black. Some small pieces of carbon have also been added to the front wings and the mirror caps. The winner also gets a large spoiler stretching out from the top of the roof, as well as a sharp tailgate lip spoiler. Of course, both are made from carbon. Larte has also designed a new bumper and diffuser package for the GLE and fitted new brake lights into this diffuser. Completing the upgrades are custom tailpipes. Larte hasn't said how much the kit costs, but with all that carbon, we can't imagine it'll be cheap.